Do you have big dreams but feel like you're stuck in a rut? Are you tired of starting new things only to get demotivated and procrastinate along the way? If you answered yes, don't worry. You're not alone. In fact, I used to be just like you. And today, I want to talk about how to stop putting things off and get what you want out of life. Before we dive in, I just want to say that this video is for ambitious people who are struggling with motivation and procrastination. So if you're not ambitious or you don't have any dreams, this video is probably not for you. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to say is that this is not your fault. It's not like you're lazy or you don't care. It's because most of the time the tasks that we need to do to achieve our goals seem too big. For example, let's say you want to become an influencer. What's stopping you from becoming one? Probably nothing. But you might think that it's going to take a lot of work, time, money, and effort. Or let's say you want to start a business. What's stopping you from starting one? Again, probably nothing, but you might think that it's going to take a lot of work, time, money, and effort. Or let's say you want to get in shape. What's stopping you from getting in shape? Again, probably nothing, but you might think that it's going to take a lot of work, time, money, and effort. And that's why you end up procrastinating. So how do we fix this problem? First, make the task small. Break it down into tiny pieces. Don't think about the whole journey. Just focus on the next step. For example, if your goal is to become an influencer, don't think about becoming famous. Don't think about all the hard work and dedication that it will take. Just focus on posting one video this week. That's it. Or, if your goal is to start a business, don't think about all the problems and challenges that you will face. Don't think about all the work and time that it will take. Just focus on doing one thing right now, like picking a name for your business. That's it. Or if your goal is to get in shape, don't think about all the diets and workouts that you need to do. Don't think about all the changes that you need to make. Just focus on doing one thing right now, like taking a walk today. That's it. Second, create easy routines. When you have a routine, it's easier to take action consistently without having to think about what you should do next. This is because your brain loves routines. It loves to automate things. So when you have a routine, your brain doesn't have to waste energy trying to figure out what you should do next. It already knows what you should do next, so you don't have to think about it. This frees up your mental energy for more important things. Third, use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a simple trick that has helped me a lot when I'm feeling lazy or unmotivated. It goes like this. If something takes less than 2 minutes to do, get it done right away. For example, if you're watching this video and I ask you to pause it and write down your goals in the comments below, you probably won't do it right away. You'll probably think to yourself, "Oh, I'll do it later. I'm busy right now. I'll do it tomorrow." But if I ask you to pause this video and write down one word in the comments below, you'll probably do it right away, because one word is easy. It takes less than 2 minutes. So according to the 2-minute rule, you'll do it right away. Now here's the important part. After you write down that one word, you'll probably feel motivated to write down more words. So you'll probably write down more words even though you didn't have to. The same thing happens when you take action towards your goals. If you can take small actions towards your goals consistently, you'll eventually build momentum and motivation. Now you might be thinking, okay, great, but what if I mess up? What if I miss a day or I don't feel like doing it anymore? It happens. It's normal. Don't beat yourself up over it. Just pick yourself back up and keep moving forward. Also, if you want to learn more about how to stay motivated and consistent, I highly recommend checking out the video Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's a really good book, and the author breaks down the science of habit formation and how to stay motivated in a very simple and easy to understand way. Okay, so let me give you an example of how these 3 steps can help you achieve your goals. Let's say your goal is to start a business. You can use these 3 steps like this. First, make the task small. Instead of thinking about starting a business, think about picking a name for your business. Second, create an easy routine. Decide when and how you're going to work on your business. For example, you can decide to work on your business every morning for 1 hour. Third, use the 2-minute rule. When you're feeling lazy or unmotivated, just think about working on your business for just 2 minutes. Just think about working on your business for just 2 minutes. Then, after you work on your business for 2 minutes, you can decide whether you want to continue working on it or not. But most of the time, you'll probably feel motivated to keep working on it because you've already started working on it, and your brain hates inconsistency. So once you start working on something, your brain wants you to finish what you started. So this is how you can use these 3 steps to achieve your goals. Now, let's talk about why this works. There are 2 reasons why this works. The first reason is because when you break down your goals into smaller pieces, it becomes easier to take action. This is because your brain loves instant gratification. It loves things that happen right away. So when you can get instant gratification, you're more likely to take action. For example, if you want to lose weight, it's hard to see the results right away. But if you want to learn a new language, you can see the results right away. Like if you learn 1 new word a day, you'll have learned 365 new words in a year. That's a lot of progress. And when you can see the progress, you're more likely to feel motivated. That's why when you break down your goals into smaller pieces, it becomes easier to see the progress and therefore it becomes easier to take action. The second reason why this works is because when you have a routine, it becomes easier to stay consistent. This is because your brain hates uncertainty. It loves things that are predictable and routine. So when you have a routine, your brain is more likely to stay motivated and take action consistently. For example, if you have a routine where you wake up early every morning and work on your goals for 1 hour before doing anything else, your brain will get used to it, and it will expect you to do it every morning. So if you skip one day, your brain will be upset and it will motivate you to get back on track. That's why when you have a routine, it becomes easier to stay consistent. These are the 2 reasons why these 3 steps work. Make the task small, create an easy routine, and use the 2-minute rule. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.